Hello friends, welcome to the Careers in Consulting channel. So how to talk like a consultant? This is the question in the minds of a lot of people, and I will talk about all the practical tips in today's video. This will be a very important and eye-opening video for a lot of you. So please do watch this video till the end. Do like it and do subscribe to the channel. And do share this video with as many people as you can, because a lot of people working in corporate, they need this message, they need this video. And do provide your feedback in the comment section as well. So let's start. So firstly, talking about the English. So as a consultant, speak in very simple English. And I know a lot of emphasis will be put on the kind of English you shall be speaking as a consultant. But you need to keep it very simple. So as a consultant, your mindset should be that you need to add more and more value. So speak things of value, speak things with which you are able to add value to your clients, to your boss, to your colleagues. And the accent of the English does not matter at all. You can speak in Indian accent, you can speak in North Indian accent, in South Indian accent. It does not matter at all. So what matters is the content that you are speaking. And of course, when you are speaking English, you need to be very clear so that the other person is able to understand what you are talking. But the kind of English does not matter at all. Now moving on, point number 2, talking about the jargons. So again, use jargons when it is absolutely necessary, because you need to realize that the clients, they like to speak in very simple language. They like to listen to very simple language. And people from the leaders, from the clients who have 15-20 years of work experience, you will see that these people will not throw a lot of jargons, because you have to realize that a lot of these jargons, they are not globally used at all. So a lot of these jargons, maybe your company is using those jargons, and other companies may not be using these jargons. So as a consultant, if you are throwing a lot of jargons one after the other, it may happen that the client may not be aware of the meaning of some jargons, and then the client will have to ask you that, hey, what is the meaning of this jargon? And you have to realize that if the client is having to ask you that what is the meaning of this jargon, then you are not being a good consultant. You will not be in the good books of the clients if they are having to ask you what is the meaning of this jargon. Now moving forward, as a consultant, do not try to be too crisp or too short. And I know generally you will be given this recommendation that as a consultant, you need to be very crisp, you need to be very short, but this is the wrong recommendation. And definitely you need to have a clarity of thought. Whatever you are speaking, you need to have that clarity of thought, but do not put too much pressure on yourself. Do not put so much pressure that whatever you have to speak in one line, or you have to speak everything in 2 lines. Do not put so much pressure. And you have to realize that people who talk the most in corporate, they are recognized the most in consulting companies as well. So do not try to be too short or too crisp. And most important thing is, try to be your natural self. So at the end of the day, the most important tip and the most important point you need to realize is, when you are talking to your clients, your boss, your colleagues, the most important thing is these people should like talking to you. So when you are throwing jargons after jargons, people will get a headache after talking to you. And similarly, when you are speaking in a very flowery English language, you are saying things like succinct, you are saying things like encapsulate instead of saying hide. So when you are using these kind of fancy English terms, again, people will get a headache after listening to you. So the most important thing here is that you need to speak in a very natural flow, use simple English words, use very simple language. So you should speak like you are speaking like a friend who is sitting in the living room. Right? So you should be someone who can talk for 1 hour, and that 1 hour went away in a breeze. And this will be possible only when you are speaking in very simple language. And reiterating the same point, use jargons when it is absolutely necessary. So do make a note of this point, the most important point in this video. Be your natural self. People should like talking to you. At the end of the day, as a consultant, this is the most important thing you need to ensure. Now moving forward, you need to realize that as a consultant, you are a problem solver. So your job is to understand the problems of the clients, simplify these problems and provide solutions. So the keyword here is simplify. So as a consultant, you need to simplify things, not make them more complex. So always use very simple English, simple language, simple words, and of course jargons need to be avoided. Only use jargons which are very, very commonly used, like CAGR for example, everyone, or OPEX, CAPEX. These kind of jargons, do not go beyond these jargons. Do not use those jargons which other people may not understand at all. And also try to learn from the leaders as well. So in your consulting company, the leaders who have 15 years, 20 years or 25 years of work experience, try to learn from these leaders, because you will realize that all the leaders who have been in corporate for a long time, they will use very, very simple English language. They will not be throwing a lot of jargons. And on the other hand, you will realize that especially freshers who have just come in the job market, they will be speaking in very, very flowery language. They will be throwing a lot of jargons around. But on the other hand, as we mentioned, as we discussed, that the leaders or people who have a lot of experience in the consulting market, they will speak in very simple terms. They will not be throwing a lot of jargons. So as a consultant, you need to realize that the most important thing is adding value. So all your focus, all your brain juice should be spent on how to add value to people, how to add value to clients, to your boss, to your colleagues as well, right? So that clarity of thought needs to be there. And the jargons, the kind of English, the kind of accent you are speaking is all secondary, right? So I hope you like the content in this video and you will try to implement the points we discussed in this video. And as I said, I hope this would have been an eye-opener video for you, because a lot of people will give you a lot of complex gyan on this, that okay, you need to follow a top-down approach or some other kind of approach when you are speaking as a consultant, and people will talk like this is some rocket science, speaking like a consultant. But as I mentioned, rather than it being a rocket science, or it does not matter the kind of content, it is, everything is here, right? How you are thinking, what is your clarity of thought, what is your mindset, how you can add value, which is the most important thing. And you may have seen some people or some leaders who have a very different kind of accent. They have a very regional accent, and still they are adding a lot of value to people, right? Because they are not bothered about the kind of accent they are speaking. They do not want to speak in American accent or European accent. That is secondary thing. Most important thing is how much value you can bring to the table. So I hope you would have taken a lot of takeaways, learnings from this video. Do like it and do subscribe to the channel, and thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next one.